Hey again, everybody. Since I'm doing non-live Steam videos tonight, here's another one. My wife has a dog and my daughters have a dog, and they wanted a little fence built out here. That's the house. This is my workshop, and so I'm pretty good at building fences and things like that. And I built a fence with two gates, one over there on that side and one over on this side, so I can get to my little water hose in there. You can see the locomotive sitting inside the workshop. So anyway, I wanted to show this technique. Usually when I build a gate, I build it on the ground and then lift it up and put it in position. But I looked online and I found a description of a gate building technique, which was interesting, and I wanted to go ahead and share that with y'all. Let me undo the latch here. And what you do, of course, you build your fence with your rails and your pickets and things first, like you would normally do. And then what they have you do, you build the gate in place vertically. And the way that the professionals that I read about, what they do, let me see if I can turn the light on here. There we go. They actually use toenails to nail the crossboards into the beams or whatever they're going to connect it to. And what I did, and when they get all done, they put the last picket over, they leave a space here, and then they cut off with a circular saw. I thought I could do that, but make it easy. I just screwed 1/2 inch thick wood to the top and the bottom there, and then you can see the hole there. I toenailed, basically I used deck screws to hold the upper and the lower pieces in place, just as though they were rails. And then I cut my cross piece and screwed that into place using very long deck screws, and then I planked it across with my pickets. And so basically it was just, at that point, it was just like a completely solid fence. And so I'll show you the next step was to put on the hinges. Obviously you put them on where you want it to hinge, and I used the good 1/2 inch lag screw kind. Put your handle on where you want it, and I put the latch on later, as a matter of fact. But at that point you just went around to the other side and I unscrewed the top and the bottom from the rails that they were screwed to, and I removed the little 1/2 inch boards that I had screwed into here. You can see the little holes there, and voila, the thing, now you instant gate, basically. I mean, way easier to build than struggling building it on the ground and then lifting it up. So very cool tip and very appreciative, and I hope this is helpful to other people. This is one more final thing. This is my own idea. I use these like dog clip kind of things as a safety security thing. There's no way the dog's going to bump that and get that loose. It's going to have to take a human hand to loosen that and move it so you can get in and out. So thanks for watching. I hope that's helpful. I'll keep you posted.